I'm going to show you how I pluck my dog's ear. Now it's a little bit red here, so be careful, but I get a hemostat, and you just pluck out small amounts. You don't take a whole bunch at one time because that will hurt. You can also use some ear powder, or you can just use your fingers if it's not in tight, if the hair's not in too tight. If the hair's in too tight, I don't even pluck it. But this hair comes out pretty easy. See there? So just pull a little bit at a time. Be careful not to pinch the skin, because that'll hurt, and then, you know, the dog might give you a hard time next time to do it. Try to get in that hole. There's usually deep, deep hairs in there. When you got to get the hairs inside, you can put your hemostat in closed, okay, and then slightly open them as you get inside. And these long hairs that are down that hole are pretty long, so the dog will get, you know, lick his lips because it comes from probably down here. There. So I think I got most of it. So just like that. And you can also use your fingers. So you can also use some ear powder, just sprinkle it in. And you can use your fingers just for the little wispy hairs. And the powder is just for grip. I mean, it doesn't, you know, deaden the hair or anything like that, but it's just for the grip, and you can pull it better. So basically like that. Oh, he must have been scratching there. So there, nice clean ear.